Welcome guys, in this video I want to show you where you can find practice arena on the FIFA 23. As you can see in my case, the practice arena is available on the main menu, but it's right here because I just use this mode. Normally when you don't know how we can enter, you have to go for the play modes, then open the quick play modes, and then you will find practice arena right here. So click X to open, and as you can see, here we are. We can just do shots, we can train, we can do whatever we want right here. You can also practice the free kicks. So we have to click option button on your controller, and here we can, for example, get the free kick. You can change the camera, you can also get the skill moves tutorial. As you can see right here, it's every trick that you want to make. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.